A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, former President Donald Trump is escalating his legal battle against the Wall Street Journal, owned by media mogul Rupert Murdoch. Trump has filed a motion in a federal court in Florida, urging that Murdoch be deposed within 15 days due to concerns over the 94-year-old's health. The lawsuit stems from a report published by the Journal that alleged a connection between Trump and the late Jeffrey Epstein, a financier and convicted sex offender. The report claimed that Trump had sent a birthday message to Epstein, which Trump vehemently denies. The legal team representing Trump expressed urgency in their motion, citing Murdoch's advanced age and recent health issues as reasons for the expedited deposition. Taken together, these factors weigh heavily in determining that Murdoch would be unavailable for in-person testimony at trial, the motion stated. Trump's lawyers highlighted Murdoch's history of health problems, including a serious case of COVID-19 in 2022 and other ailments that have led to hospitalizations and health scares. The controversy surrounding Epstein continues to loom large over Trump's political narrative, with the former president increasingly frustrated as the scandal resurfaces in media discussions. Trump's lawsuit, which seeks $10 billion in damages, targets not only Murdoch and the Journal, but also the parent company Dow Jones and the journalists who authored the report. In a recent press conference held at his golf resort in Turnberry, Scotland, Trump reiterated that he had severed ties with Epstein years ago, citing inappropriate behavior on Epstein's part. He claimed that he expelled Epstein from his private club after the financier allegedly hired staff members who had previously worked for Trump. "I threw him out, and that was it. I'm glad I did, if you want to know the truth," Trump stated, attempting to distance himself from the controversy. The legal landscape appears challenging for Trump, as legal experts suggest he faces an uphill battle in proving defamation. To succeed, he must demonstrate that the Journal's reporting was false and that the publication acted with actual malice. The Wall Street Journal has maintained its confidence in the accuracy of its reporting, stating, "We have full confidence in the rigor and accuracy of our reporting and will vigorously defend against any lawsuit." As the situation unfolds, Trump's legal team is poised for a significant confrontation with Murdoch, who has reportedly expressed his intent to stand firm against the allegations. In private conversations, Murdoch has conveyed that he will not be intimidated by Trump's legal maneuvers, declaring, "I'm 94 years old, and I will not be intimidated." The court has set a deadline for Murdoch to respond to Trump's request by August 4th, further intensifying the scrutiny surrounding this high-profile case. As the legal battle progresses, the political implications for Trump remain profound, with the Epstein scandal threatening to overshadow his agenda and complicate his public image ahead of future elections. In the meantime, Trump continues to grapple with media inquiries regarding his past associations with Epstein, as the former president attempts to redirect the narrative towards other topics. However, the Epstein files and Trump's alleged connections remain a persistent point of contention, complicating his efforts to shift focus back to his political platform. As the saga continues to develop, all eyes will be on the courtroom proceedings and the potential implications for both Trump and Murdoch. Will Murdoch comply with the expedited deposition request, or will he mount a defense against the former president's claims? The outcome of this legal battle could have lasting ramifications for both men, as well as for the broader political landscape in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.